Hold up! I gotta tell you guys, I wish I did this sooner.
Nani?
Always remember, test your water! I mean, those lab sticks are pretty great when you just need a lace test, but these tests be a gazillion times more accurate for your heart to rest. So here we have the API Master Test Kit. The market since forever. In it, you have 7 bottles of juice and 4 cute little test tubes that you'll definitely use. Total of 4 different tests you can do: pH, nitrites, nitrates, ammonia. Let's get started with the pH. Getting 5 ml of the tank juice into the test tube. Okay, who wants a taste test?
いただきます。
3 drops for this one. Swivel it back and forth, mixing it up. Let's check it out. Okay, around 7 to 7.2 I'd say. Can't tell, too close. I don't know, what do you think? Let's do nitrite next. Is your NO2? So now, drip a few drops. Shake it up for 5 seconds and lay it to rest. 5 minutes. Okay, nitrate time. More like freaking forearms and arms day time. Drop some drops into this one and shake for 30 seconds. Yes, you freaking heard it right. 30 seconds. I sped it up for you. Say thank you. Bottle 2. Same for the nitrate test. Another 10 drops. Shake it out for 1 minute now. Bruh. We're just doing a test and we accidentally did HIIT. You kidding me now? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Last be the ammonia test. Okay, 8 drops. Let's get it in. Just flip it around to mix the juices. Okay, second bottle, we're doing 8 drops too. Drip it. Oh, thank goodness, this is just 5 seconds. Let them rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, take this time to pause and have a think about what you want to do after this video. If you want to play some game, go play. If you want to help your mother cook, go cook. I don't know, just find something to do. Be useful. Enjoy. Okay, let's check out how we did. Cheeky, cheeky. Okay, nitrite 0. Now this is really important because you want it to be 0, because this is the end you don't want in your tank. It's not good for your fishes, not good for any living things. For plants are okay, but still. Next up, nitrates. Also at 0. I mean, this one's okay to have a little bit in your tank, it's fine. It's not that bad compared to nitrites. Lastly, ammonia. Clocking in at 0 as well. Okay, so ammonia is also something you don't want in your tank. It burns, it literally burns your fish's gills. Nope. Your living creatures won't have fun. Imagine living hell in water. I can't picture that, but yeah. And we are done. This is our test, the API test kit. I don't know, I feel better after testing this. Let me know what you think. Now this test can rest. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.